we will take 1 banana. Peel and mash with a fork until smooth. Mix it with cookie crumbs. For the crumbs, we will take 7-ounce cookies. And grind it with a blender into fine crumbs. Pour into a bowl. Add banana porridge and mix well. This is what our base should be. Transfer it to a mold. Slightly level it, pressing with a spatula. And now press well with a cup. The base for the cheesecake is ready. Now take 2 tablespoons of gelatin and add 2/3 cup of water. Mix everything well. And set aside so that the gelatin swells. Now take 2 bananas and peel them. Cut them into small pieces in a deep plate. Take 1 lemon and squeeze the juice from 1/2 of the lemon into the sliced bananas. This will give our dessert a light sour taste and prevent the bananas from darkening. Beat with a blender until smooth. In the meantime, set aside and prepare our cream base for the cheesecake. Pour 2 cups cold heavy cream into a deep plate. Beat with a mixer at high speed until slightly thickened. Like and subscribe to my channel if you love delicious and easy no-bake desserts. Now add 5.3 ounces of mascarpone cheese, 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk, beat again for a couple of minutes. Now add our banana porridge. Gently mix with a silicone spatula so that the mass becomes homogeneous. Now add the swollen gelatin that we heated in advance in the microwave to a liquid state. First, gently mix with a silicone spatula, and then beat for 1 minute with a mixer. Our creamy banana mass is ready and we transfer it to the mold. We level it with a spatula, pressing it a little to release excess air. We sprinkle cookie crumbs on top. We level it, pressing the crumbs. You can decorate the cheesecake with a banana. To do this, take 1 banana and cut it into thin slices. Squeeze 1/2 of a lemon on top. We spread the slices along the edges of the dessert. We put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Just look how delicious it looks. It's really delicious. Cook with pleasure and share your impressions in the comments. This cheesecake has won my heart. It is incredibly tender, airy, and just melts in your mouth. Be sure to make it. You will be satisfied. To make the most delicate dessert, we will need 12 pieces of Oreo cookies. The cookies need to be crushed into fine crumbs. This is what a crumb should look like. Add 5 tablespoons of melted butter to the cookies. Mix well to form a homogeneous mass. Transfer the crumbs to the pan. Evenly distribute the crumbs over the bottom of the pan. And we press our cookies so that they hold their shape well. Our base is ready. Let's put it aside for now. 2 tablespoons gelatin. 1/2 cup water. Mix well and leave the gelatin to swell. We will also cut 5 pieces of Oreo cookies. We will add it to the milk mass. This dessert is so delicious and tender that you will want to make it every day. If you like no-bake desserts, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a new recipe. Let's set our cookies aside and start preparing the milk mixture. We will need 2 cups of chilled heavy cream. Whip the cream at high mixer speed, approximately 4 to 6 minutes. After the mass thickens a little, add 1 cup of mascarpone, 1 2/3 cups powdered sugar, again, beat everything well with a mixer. Beat until the mixture becomes thick and airy. Now add the swollen gelatin, which we preheated in the microwave. Pour gelatin into the milk mixture. Beat with a mixer for another 1 minute. After the gelatin is well mixed, add the cookies that we prepared in advance. Mix gently with a silicone spatula. Transfer the mixture to the prepared mold. Smooth the dessert with a spatula. Sprinkle the top with cookie crumbs. Now let our dessert sit in the refrigerator for 3 hours. The dessert is almost ready. All that remains is to decorate. Definitely try making this dessert. This cheesecake is perfect for both a festive table and a tea party with friends. Cook with me simply and deliciously. Write in the comments which cheesecake recipe you like the most. I would be very interested to know about it. This is so tasty. Enjoy your meal.